Hey, Arthur. How's it going?
Oh, hey, guys. Come on in.
Did you get a new gig?
No.
Oh, you must be going down to that rally at City Hall. I hear it's gonna be nuts.
Oh, is that today?
Yeah. And what's with the makeup, then?
My mom died. Celebrating.
Right. We heard. That's why we came by. I figured you could use some cheering up.
Oh, that's sweet. But, no. I feel good. I stopped taking my medication. I feel a lot better now.
Oh, okay. Good feel. So, hey, listen, I don't know if you heard, but the cops have been coming around the shop. They're talking to all the guys about those subway murders. And,
They didn't talk to me.
that's because the suspect was a regular-sized person. If it was a fucking midget, you'd be in jail right now. Anyway, Hoyt said that they talked to you, and now they're looking for me, and I just want to know what you said. Make sure our stories line up, seeing as how you're my boy, and
that makes a lot of sense.
you know what I mean?
Thank you, Brando. Thank you so much.
I just want to...
Why would you do that, Arthur?
Did you watch the Murray Franklin show? Yeah. I'm gonna be on tonight. It's fucking crazy, isn't it? Me on the telly.
What the fuck, Arthur?
What? It's okay, Gary. You can go. I'm not gonna hurt you. Don't look. Just go.
Hey, Arthur.
Yeah.
Arthur, can you get a log?
Sorry, Gary. Gary?
Yeah.
You were the only one that was ever nice to me. Yeah.